Welcome to Talking Football with D. My brother, how did you see the game?
I enjoyed the game, Afis.
You enjoyed the game?
Fully speaking.
Nice.
That boy dancing, eh?
Yeah, Danson, yo.
Shit.
Danson, yo.
That boy.
That boy.
I knows football.
The whole 90 minutes and you played really well.
That boy.
Yeah.
I can give that boy the name of Navigate.
Yeah. Navigator. Navigator.
That's this boy.
He dish us the passes, my brother.
Afis, that boy, nah. We're gonna go far.
Aye.
Trust me.
Asiyabonga, my brother.
Straight. That boy.
Yeah.
He's truly showing us, Afis.
Yeah. That is a quality player.
He knows football.
Yes.
Yeah, last.
Walazi ball.
Too much.
Siyabonga, my brother.
That's wrong.
Who else impressed you the most?
Today.
Eh.
Today, truly speaking, I wanted to see that boy. But
Matun.
number 49.
Oh, 49. The one who was Wabaroka.
That boy knows football, Afis.
He knows football.
You saw his first touch.
Yes.
All of this, he has been football.
Yes.
First touch.
Amaphasi wakho.
Fit.
Hey.
Ungesengathunge i-run
Hey. Waroka.
in the needle.
Waroka.
Wenza so.
Waroka.
What else?
Re tlo mmona gape next week.
Next week. Switzerland, eh?
Yes. Ka
Switzerland.
MTN 8.
Switzerland.
Yes, Switzerland.
Switzerland. It's the 14 la.
Yeah, Eswatini.
Sinja ibhola.
Away, my brother.
Hola.
Thank you so much. Follow.
Fine.
Yes. Hola.
Hola.
Tagataga 2, Milford 0. My brother, we won kanjani game?
Igame yebhakaniya.
Yes.
Ibhakanana idlalile.
Yes.
Asifuna isitha.
Yes.
Bhakaniya lo sebhakaniya.
Yes.
I'm happy. Next game siyandlula.
Siyadlula full.
Yes.
MTN
Abanye
8.
and abanye baprespect game. Mabethu. Abanye badlulisa ingame.
Yes.
Bajukile. Ibhakaniya is not Bhakaniya.
Bagania. 2-0. Yes. Sabonga. Bakajuju. Funa ukul. Okay.
abantu batheke unanziwe dancing
Udansen.
no nalentwana leseka kubaroka
Oh, number 49. 49.
Rosile
Yes.
lapha sinomfuke
Yes.
cha abantu bazabona le nto udancing andifuni uthetha ngombatha
Yes.
luwaka
My brother, Siyabonga. See you again here, Orlando Amstel Arena. Thank you. My brother, go for it.
Molweni bhuti.
Molweni,
Ninjani?
ngiyaphila njani?
Sikhona.
Hayi siyabonga.
No, hayi sijabulile kakhulu.
Asijabule Bakajuju.
Bhakaniya. Into ebesiyifuna ukuyenza besifuna ukubeka i-statement.
Yes.
Njenge-defending champions
Yes.
kumele siwine.
Yes.
So siwinile 2-0.
Yes.
Clean sheet.
Yes.
Iqala apha le nto.
Iqala namhlanje.
Makuphela isizini sekuzothi uchain kanjani. Iqala apha nansi
Yes,
clean sheet yokuqala.
yes.
Siqalile siyahamba.
Hayi siyabonga my
So
brother.
into endiyiqalelayo kakhulu ingase ikhona ingxaki apha kwinumber 10.
Yes.
Yabona ingase siyethole
Yes.
inumber 10.
Yes.
Yabona ngakuhle ukuthi mhlawumbe iteam ukuthi kanti iyayikhangela inumber 10.
We still need someone there. Umasilela umbone kanjani because kuye niyadlala number 10 second half.
Ya Masilela ungenile second half niyabona ukuthi uyeza.
Yes.
Kanti khalela ukuthi endwana sizibeke i-Central sizibeke under pressure.
Yes.
Yabona endwana
Yes.
so basingathola inumber 10 straight esene experience. Just nje ukuthi ibe yiyo ethatha izinto ezisephambili.
Hayi siyabonga my brother.
Siyabonga.
Thank you. Follow us on YouTube. Talk football with D.
akhona amajita nokwabona
Siyabonga my brother. Yes.
nawo mfethu ukhule
Hayi ngiyabonga butsham.
uzasriper naku-TikTok
YouTube.
naku-YouTube ngoku uzasriper uzibona izinto zakho siwinile
Asiwinile kanje. Yeah, once network